In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about project milestones and how to create them using Clickup. If you've ever wondered how to effectively manage your projects and stay on top of important deadlines, milestones are your best friend. They help keep you and your team on track, highlighting significant achievements and serving as a guidepost to ensure that everything's progressing as planned. First things first, you need to navigate to Clickup, a comprehensive application designed to streamline your work processes. Once you're on their website, proceed to click on Login. If you haven't already set up an account, make sure to do so, but if you have, it's time to sign in. For ease, you might want to click on the option that says Sign into Google. This will allow you to choose your Google account, making the login process quick and efficient. Once you're logged in, the next step is to select a list where you want to create your milestones. Think of lists as the foundational blocks of your projects within Clickup. They help organize tasks and other elements related to your project. After selecting your list, you'll want to look towards the top right of your screen. There you'll find a button with 3 dots. Go ahead and click on it. Now from the drop down, choose Templates. This section provides a variety of templates that can help ease your project creation process. Click on Browse Templates. A search bar will pop up, which is perfect. Simply type in milestone. This will narrow down your selection to the templates relevant for setting project milestones. Once you find the milestone chart template, click on it. To use the template, look for the Use Template button and click it. Here's where you can start personalizing your milestones. You'll be prompted to name this template. Be sure to give it a name that's reflective of your project to make it easily identifiable later on. After you've named your template, you'll click Use Template once more. This will create the base for your milestone chart. To see your milestones in action, click on Milestone. You'll have a dedicated space to see all key project landmarks clearly displayed. Finally, remember that the template is just a starting point. You need to tailor it to suit your project's specific needs. Clickup allows you to edit the template, so take advantage of this feature to make any necessary adjustments. And there you have it. Following these steps in Clickup not only enhances your project management capabilities, but also ensures that you and your team can visualize progress and avoid potential bottlenecks. Thank you for watching and happy planning.